Welcome to this installation walkthrough of the BMC Performance Air Filter for the Tata Harrier, which is also fully compatible with the Tata Safari thanks to their shared powertrain and intake architecture. We begin by accessing the factory airbox located on the left side of the engine bay. Start by removing the screws that hold the airbox cover in place. Lift the lid carefully to avoid stressing the MAP sensor wiring. Inside, you'll find the OEM paper filter, designed primarily for cost efficiency and basic filtration. The BMC Free Flow air filter is manufactured using a multi-layered cotton gauze structure soaked in filter oil, which significantly increases the volumetric airflow reaching the engine. This design not only improves permeability but also maintains superior dust particle retention compared to standard paper filters. The filter is housed in a precision-molded polyurethane frame to ensure a perfect seal within the OEM airbox. Before installation, confirm that the airbox seating area is clean and free of contaminants. Then, simply insert the BMC filter into the housing. The fitment is plug-and-play, no cutting, drilling, or remapping required. Once the filter sits perfectly in place, reinstall the airbox lid and tighten the screws evenly to ensure an airtight seal across the intake path. With the BMC filter installed, the engine benefits from a more efficient intake cycle. You can expect improved throttle response, a smoother and more linear acceleration curve, and enhanced mid-range performance. The engine now receives air with lesser resistance, reducing lag and improving overall drivability with higher power and torque. Additionally, the reusable cotton filter media provides long-term value. Just wash, re-oil, and reinstall during routine maintenance. Beyond power and responsiveness, a free-flow air filter can also contribute to marginal improvements in fuel efficiency under steady driving conditions, thanks to better combustion efficiency achieved through optimized airflow. If you're looking to further enhance your driving experience or upgrade other components on your car or motorcycle, visit sniper-auto.com. Sniper Auto offers a world-class range of premium performance products tested and selected for enthusiasts who demand more from their machines. Don't forget to like, comment on and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the performance gains from your new BMC air filter.